Okay, welcome to the last module. And now that you have everything set up, you have your channel set up, you have your channels built to thousands and thousands of subscribers, you have hundreds of thousands of views, it's about time I show you how you can actually sell those monetized and non-monetized channels. So in this module, I'm going to be showing you where to sell those channels, where to get the hot traffic, where to get people who are already interested in buying those channels, where you can reach those people and sell them your channels over and over again. I'm going to show you how to list your channels for sale. I'm going to show you how to avoid paying huge fees. I'm going to show you a super cool trick to avoid paying fees. So it's like avoid paying taxes but legally. So avoid paying fees, and this can literally save you thousands of dollars, literally thousands of dollars. And in the last lecture, I'm going to show you how you can guaranteed avoid being scammed, because most people, when they try to sell stuff online, like digital products online, Instagram accounts, Fortnite accounts, if that even exists, and YouTube channels and stuff like that. People often get scammed by some other people in those scammy Facebook groups, Telegram, and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you how to guaranteed avoid being scammed. So definitely, it's gonna be an amazing module, and I will see you in the first lecture.